What's up, boss? In this video, I'll show you how you could change your intake questions when people are booking you. So you're just going to go into the edit any of your appointments or services, and you click on this icon, which is where you went to set up your different questions. If you want to edit it, just click on that pencil, and you can make the edit. Or if you want to make it required, or not required, you want to change it, just do that. Make sure you click save, and you're good to go. You could also drag them in a different order if that's what you like, just by dragging and dropping. Pretty simple. And of course, you could always add more questions, more fields to an existing appointment or booking, any type that you'd like, and make it required or not. And let's just show you a quick look at what that looks like. And there you see you have your privacy policy if you want to create that, and or upload a file, or ask for a link or anything else, and it'll just show up over here in your form. Anyway, that's how you change things up. And thank you for being a boss.